How to boost CPU or processor speed in Windows 10. So first of all, you have to open the Task Manager. To do this, move your mouse pointer to the taskbar, right-click on it and select Task Manager. Once it's open, click on the Performance tab at the top, that is between the Processes and App History option. Here you can see your CPU speed, which may be around 1.3 or 2 GHz when idle. If you're using a laptop, click on the battery icon in the taskbar and move the slider to the right to select the best performance. You should see your processor speed increase to about 3.3 GHz. And for desktop users, click on the Start menu and then type on Power. Go to Edit Power Plan. From there, select Change Advanced Power Settings. Look for the processor power management and click the plus icon to expand it. Then double-click on Minimum Processor State. Click on Settings and set it to 5. Click on Apply and then double-click on Maximum Processor State. Click on Settings and set it to 100. Click on Apply and you'll be done. Finally, open My Computer or File Explorer. Right-click in an empty space and then select the Properties. Click on Change Settings. Then go to Advanced tab and click on Settings again. Choose Adjust for the best performance and then click on Apply and OK. These steps should help you increase the CPU speed on your Windows 10 computer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.